How to be smart when shopping. We love buying many things online, but the shipping cost and the risk we have to face sometimes is high. So to avoid that, you can be smart like this. If you can buy it from the store, skip buying it online. Don't be lazy. Get yourself up and walk to the store. When buying it from the store, you can actually see how the product look like and check if it has any faults. Then you know you are buying the right product for your need. And you can be worry-free. Plus, you don't have to pay for the shipping fee too. That's how you save money. Just like we buy vegetables from the supermarket. Seasonal offers. We love seeing products on sale, but make sure you don't buy it all unless you need them, or do one-time shopping from a sale for the whole year. This most people don't do, but it's one of the best hacks to save money. It all depends on your mindset. For more videos like this in the future, like, share and subscribe.